Week of February 1st, 2026. This week's priorities: 1. Start more leafy greens from seed. 2. Share my story of rebuilding my life through gardening. So, about 10 days ago, I planted lettuce seeds, but they haven't germinated. But that's okay. I think it's because either they were pellety seeds and you're supposed to use pellety seeds within a year of purchase. Because of the coating, it absorbs moisture and the seeds lose viability faster. I learned that this time. Always learning process. Or maybe the basement is too cold, but it's okay because from my work, I got free seeds. And here are the seeds that I want to plant today. I have 2 kinds of kale, bok choy, 3 kinds of lettuce. And I know that they're all cool season crop, which means you can start them pretty early when weather's cold and they can tolerate light frost. But it's confusing to figure out when you can exactly plant them. But I have this planting guide by Seed to Fork, which is very convenient. She is in zone 4, I'm in zone 6, so I can start this a little earlier than her schedule. So for kale, bok choy, head lettuce, which is romaine lettuce, you can sow indoor either in February or March. And since I'm a little earlier than her, I am okay. So, and then I can transplant undercover around March. This all checks out. Also, I have leaf lettuce. Sorry about the stains. It just means I've had it for a while. This leaf lettuce, although she recommends starting them around, let's see, March by direct sowing outdoors, since I'm going to start them and just keep them indoor, it doesn't matter. These 2 trays are from 10 days ago when I planted pelleted romaine lettuce seeds, which haven't germinated. So I'm just gonna reuse them so I didn't have to prep them. I'm gonna label it. Today is, I think, right? This one I did first. I'm in my basement and I've been debating what kind of pots to use for kale, bok choy, and romaine lettuce because you don't want to start out too big. You don't want to waste soil. And I didn't want to start out too small, although these 72 air pruning, these starting trays are great because they have slits like this that air prunes the seedlings. So it produces very healthy seedling, but these dry out very quickly and I'm too lazy to keep up with. And I don't need 72 plugs. But this is an option if you want to start out big and bold. But what I recommend for home gardeners, I think 32 is perfect. And I have a lot of these from getting native plants plugs, and that's how they ship them. They're about 2.5 inch wide. So that's what I recommend. And then because I don't have gray soil outside and I need to transplant them actually, I'm going to try this mini greenhouse that I haven't tried before. And these can fit about 3 of those big pots. And I happen to have these, and they're about 12-inch deep, and that's enough soil depth. Again, this is bleach solution to sanitize the pots because we don't want any diseases. I'm gonna let them dry out. I may have to do the rest tomorrow. Sit. Good boy. No, let me work. I love you, baby. What you doing? What you doing there? What's up? You okay? What are you feeling? Why are you looking at me like that? Look at me with love. Oh, baby. Hi. Hi. No. You stinky. You stinky. Don't give me your butt. Stop. You okay, baby? What's up? What is up, Johnny? Seriously. Stop giving me your butt. Johnny, stop. Seriously. You're being so silly. Goodness gracious. Stop it. Oh, hi. Are you mad at me? Sorry, but you gotta stop giving people your butt. Just give me your face or something. Seriously, it's weird. We don't talk like that. Sad. Very sad. No, not sad. Just curious? You're just curious? Okay, now the pots are ready. They're all watered. And since I'm doing 4 different kinds of greens, I'm going to do 2 rows of each. And I already label them so that I don't confuse myself. I moved them to the basement under the grow light, and I decided to use a heat mat. Right now, it says the soil is still about 52° Fahrenheit, but I set it at 70, so it should warm up. And if it stays cold still, I may raise the temperature a little bit, but this one is probably will heat up pretty fast. I'm out of humidity dome. I need to order more. Without the humidity dome, the soil tends to dry out quick. And I will look for another system to hang these lights. When I had only 2 shelves on this, the pulley system worked great. But now that I decided to install 2 more to start more flowers, these lights now hang too low with the pulley system. Next, I want to share a story about rebuilding my life through gardening. A few years ago, I had been a full-time mom for 6 years, and I had a family structure I'd been building for almost 2 decades, and it ended very abruptly overnight. Looking back now, I'm very thankful for the change and growth that came from that transition. But at the time, it was the scariest and most painful thing I had ever gone through. I'm also deeply grateful that my daughter and I were able to move into this house. It was a new build, and the yard was nothing but dirt with invasive weeds popping up everywhere. Because I hadn't been building my career, I had to reconstruct my life. Moving into this house with a bare yard and challenges beneath the surface, there was no separation between working on myself and working on this yard. Working on this yard meant I was working on myself and vice versa. I decided to create a no more yard, and I prayed that I could stay true to my passion, ecological landscaping. There's a metaphor someone shared with me during that shift that stayed with me ever since. When something in your life falls apart, a relationship, your career, your health, it's like your house collapsing. You're in the basement, it's flooding, the water is rising around you. You panic at first. I did. I had anxiety attacks during that time of my life. But you can't freeze there. The only thing you can do is keep moving. And it became the first lesson I learned. Especially when life gets hard, I have to keep moving. The second lesson I learned through that experience came from gardening and from creating. There are times when you're carrying pain or frustration from dreams that didn't unfold the way you hoped. Gardening gave me a place to offer that pain. You lay it down as you work the soil. You give it good intention, patience, and hard work. And somehow the land transforms all of that into something beautiful. I believe this applies to other dreams and desires we have in life, not just gardening. We get to co-create something beautiful despite what we go through. Someone far more intelligent and far more powerful than us receives our pain, our effort, and our creativity and transforms them into something beyond our ability and imagination. You are never alone. You're always co-creating something beautiful as long as you're open enough to see it, give yourself to the process, and receive the gift in return. That's the lesson I've been learning and practicing through gardening. As my yard has been transforming little by little, not all at once, I've been rebuilding my life the same way in my career and in my family. Gardening has taught me patience. If you watched my previous episode, you will know that I've just started investing. And if I compare myself to others my age, I might feel embarrassed that I'm only just beginning. But here's the thing, it's not always about reaching the destination. It's about the process, how the process builds your character, your grit, and your resilience. It's about learning how to love yourself well, and through that, learning how to love others better. So keep moving. Choose to be a co-creator. Give yourself grace. Enjoy the process. Peace.